well, what do we have here? An open house. Unit 202. Let's take a step inside. Welcome to my gorgeous listing at 101 Ocean Bluffs Boulevard, Unit 202 in Jupiter, Florida. Everything's been done. Just about everything has been redone in the last 3 months here, ready for a new owner to enjoy. And we'll start off here with the brand new kitchen. All the cabinetry, quality cabinetry with soft closed doors and dovetail manufacturing, workmanship, new appliances, brand new. When you open them, you'll find the instruction booklets. Beautiful. New blinds on the doors, on the windows. Quiet dishwasher. And the big farm kitchen sink. Slide everything right into the sink with ease. New disposal too, garbage disposal. This unit is 1,385 square feet under air, and it has 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, laundry room, and this extra bonus 8x8 room back here on the side, actually. So in here we have a row of uppers and the lower cabinets with granite on the sides of a beautiful pair of Samsung washer and dryer, the high capacity. So you can put your king sheets in there, king comforters, all the towels you can fit. And in here, oh, it looks like there's some painting still going on. So they just haven't moved out. They're good yet. And this is the 8x8 bonus room. This can be a wonderful space for an office or put a couple of bunk beds I've seen in these. It also houses the hot water heater, which this space up here would make a great, it's a deep closet. That would make great storage for more blankets or crafts, anything that you're doing. And this wall is long enough. If you wanted to hang your stand-up paddleboard or surfboards, this is a big long wall in here for some kind of storage. So, pretty awesome extra room to have. Look at this gorgeous kitchen with extra lights up top. And here's our list of extras that have been put into the property, and there's too much of a glare there, so we'll come over here. There we go. There's the list, in case if you want to screenshot it or something, or just give me a shout out, or put it in the comments, and I can send one over to you with a list of extras. And here's the open house flyer that I've been passing around. Gorgeous. And one other fun feature of this house, when we come around here and we're standing at the kitchen, the owners have aligned the windows just right so that you can see the ocean from this picture, from this mirror. It casts from the second mirror over here, and it just makes it really fun to be in that kitchen. So we'll save the best for last. So for now, we'll go to the guest bedroom, which is about 12 by 12, and the decorations that you see on the wall are just cast from this beautiful crystals in this light fixture. So, new granite sills on all the windows, and we have the large glass closet doors with a tremendous amount of storage. So that's always a blessing, all the storage. So, and out here we have another closet, your linen closet, very good. And our bathroom, guest bathroom, with the stylish tiles the owners picked out. towel bars, new vanity. Again, the soft close doors, new light fixtures. Everything in here is fashionista. That's right. And here's our AC unit with the pan below. And this was put in, says 3/8/2022. So that's newer, which is wonderful to have a new AC unit. Look at these floors, they just reflect everything. They're gorgeous. And they're not slippery. There's a little tacky actually, just looking beautiful all the time. And here we have the master, the owner's bedroom. Okay, new doors, new hardware, just fantastic. The owners did some remodeling in here and they took out an old pocket door and put in this barn door. So you can close off the entire bathroom here for privacy. Before the pocket door was right here in this entry, and the rest was left open. So look at this gorgeous shower stall, the stylish accent strip, and the vanity here with the light fixtures, all brand new. And this closet door too, another linen closet outside here. Terrific. And our walk-in closets with more mirrored doors, plenty of shelving. All this is very easily adjustable for your needs, and a lot of storage up top for the luggage and maybe seasonal items. So all this space is fantastic. So in here we have a look from the end of the bathroom into your master, the owner's suite. And now we'll head back outside to the real feature presentation. You're gonna love to be inside, but you're gonna love to be outside even more if you're like me. And here we have it, the gorgeous grounds. You can hear the fountain over here. Sounds really great. And a lot of times you can hear the ocean even more. Today it's kind of quiet, but here we go. There's some boats out there. You can see about 4. There's one bombardiering over here. You can see that cranking up the side. And the car's lined with people that come and visit this beach. It's free parking. And there's a crosswalk right here at the side of our building. And there's also showers there, the outdoor shower and tow wash. And then there's a ramp to get down to the ocean right at our building. So we're the first building to get to the outside gate to go across the street and enjoy your beach. I would certainly call it my beach if I lived here. Can't get much closer than that. So that's quite gorgeous. All the fun and the serenity. And this pool here is open in the evenings and it's lit so dimly, it's just beautiful to be in. So, and here we have enough room on this lanai for a couple chase lounges and a table would be fantastic right there. Okay, and these doors open double wide for those days where it's not so warm out. And you can enjoy the breezes from the ocean. And there's their screens. These are impact doors. All doors and windows are impact. So you don't have to put in the cumbersome hurricane shutters and all. And that's another good feature here. And something else I noticed from spending so much time here is that some of these condo units are all boarded up. Like a large percentage of them are snowbirds, or they just come once or twice a year for their convenience or their bliss. And here, even if they're away, their units aren't shut up, like they're not closed up. So they're not boarded or screened. So it always looks really pretty. And you don't feel like everyone's missing. You know, you feel like it's just another average day. You don't even realize everyone's gone. Okay, so that's a really good feature that I noticed here, opposed to some of the others where it just looks so lonely and abandoned. So, just wanted to share that with you. And then out the front, here there's a preserve, which as far as I know won't ever be built on, but I don't guarantee those things. So it's really quite peaceful out front. There's no one here. Once in a while you'll see a kite surfer sail flying around over in this area. It's quite pretty because the ocean's just a touch that way. Yeah, so in here you have it. And there's where the garbage goes and your mail boxes. A nice covered area for parking. All right, so there's the tour. So my name's Linda Crea with Real Estate of Florida. Have offices in Stuart and in Fort Pierce. And if you would like to have a showing here, or you have some questions, or you'd like to see something else, or have me market your property, I'd be very happy to help you. I love to tour these properties and show them and make them look spectacular. So I'm very proud to present this beautiful property at 101 Ocean Bluffs Boulevard, Unit 202. Okay, have a beautiful day.